Hello guys, this is Bobo Station. Welcome to another video of 3D printer. Today I'm gonna print out a bobblehead from Fallout games. Actually, I'm a really big fan of Fallout game series, so today I'm gonna print out one of the bobblehead of Fallout bobbleheads collection. So firstly, I downloaded a 3D model from Thingiverse. You can easily find many 3D models from this website, and this file includes all the collections of bobbleheads, and I'm going to download it. And next, all you need is to open the slicer and open the file. The Charisma bobblehead right here, and as you can see, since this bobblehead model has some parts that's above the air, you need to make a support to print out properly. So to make the supports, you need to go to print setting and find support material and set as I did like this. And then I'm going to export the G code. And next, let's open printer face and load the file right here. And you can find that the support materials are made, as you can see right here, the pillars, and this will support the material and print out properly. Okay then, let's do it.
Nice.
Alright, this one printed just fine. I really like it. I'm satisfied. It feels like I already got an extra charisma bonus. Okay, that's for today. Please give me a like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time.